Many people consume cucumbers, yet the vast majority remain unaware of their effects on the body. Today, we will delve into what happens to your body when you incorporate cucumbers into your diet regularly, exploring everything from surprising benefits to potential adverse effects. But that's not all. Throughout this video, you'll uncover a common mistake to avoid when eating cucumbers and learn a recipe that enhances their beneficial properties. So, stay tuned as we dive straight into the details. Rich in essential nutrients like potassium and fiber, cucumbers provide significant advantages for the cardiovascular system. Potassium, for instance, plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure, helping to relax the arteries and allowing blood to flow more freely, thereby reducing strain on the heart. Additionally, the fiber found in cucumbers directly contributes to lowering cholesterol levels, which can help prevent the buildup of obstructive plaques in the arteries. The antioxidants present in this vegetable combat free radicals that can damage cells. Cardiac cells can age more rapidly, but consuming just 100 grams of cucumber can provide nearly 20% of your daily vitamin K requirement. This vitamin is crucial not only for blood clotting and bone strength, but also for keeping arteries free from calcifications, thereby lowering the risk of heart disease. Therefore, incorporating cucumber into your diet regularly is a simple and effective way to enhance your overall health, especially as we grow older. Imagine relishing a food that hydrates you almost as much as a glass of water, but offers a refreshing taste and a satisfying crunch. That's precisely what cucumber delivers, as it consists of about 95% water, making it an excellent natural hydrator. It's perfect for warm days or after physical activities when your body is in need of rehydration. Cucumber not only replenishes fluids, but is also abundant in essential minerals vital for your well-being. The water balance of your body plays a crucial role in regulating the flow of fluids inside and outside of cells, supporting essential functions such as muscle contraction and nerve signal transmission. For those aiming to maintain healthy skin, cucumber can be a valuable ally. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, this vegetable aids in combating damage from free radicals and encourages collagen production, helping to keep the skin firm and youthful. The silicon found in cucumbers supports skin regeneration, while their anti-inflammatory properties soothe skin irritations. Applying cucumber slices to the skin or using cucumber-based masks can assist in reducing dark spots and achieving a more even skin tone. Additionally, due to its cooling effect, cucumber serves as an excellent natural remedy for sunburns, helping to alleviate pain, swelling, and redness caused by excessive sun exposure. Incorporating cucumbers into your diet can greatly enhance digestive health. This water-rich vegetable not only helps keep your digestive tract well hydrated, but also promotes regular bowel movements, aiding in the prevention of uncomfortable constipation. The fiber found in cucumbers encourages essential intestinal activity, crucial for maintaining optimal gut health. In addition to these advantages, cucumbers have anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate inflammation in the gastrointestinal system, providing relief and comfort. The presence of the enzyme erepsin aids in breaking down proteins, making digestion more efficient and less burdensome, which is especially beneficial after meals high in meat. For those dealing with acidity or acid reflux, the alkalizing effect of cucumbers offers further benefits, making them an excellent addition to any diet focused on digestive wellness. Women who are consistently striving to lose weight may find that incorporating cucumbers into their diet is an excellent choice. Their high water and fiber content promotes a lasting feeling of fullness, which helps to curb appetite and reduce overeating. Furthermore, cucumbers have a low caloric density, allowing for larger servings without jeopardizing dietary goals. Regular consumption of cucumbers also offers several benefits for eye health due to their rich nutrient profile and significant water content. The hydration provided by cucumbers is vital for maintaining the natural lubrication of the eyes, which can aid in preventing dry eye syndrome. Additionally, essential nutrients found in cucumbers, such as vitamin K, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, protect eye cells and support lens health, thereby lowering the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Minerals like silicon and magnesium present in cucumbers are also advantageous for overall well-being. Yud'll strengthens the connective tissues around the eyes. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to diminish swelling and irritation in this area. The topical application of cucumber slices can alleviate puffiness beneath the eyes and refresh the surrounding skin. While cucumber is generally safe for most individuals and offers numerous advantages, it is important to note that there are certain conditions where its consumption might need to be limited or avoided. Individuals with irritable bowel syndrome may experience gastrointestinal discomfort, such as gas, bloating, or indigestion when consuming cucumbers, particularly in large amounts. This is because cucumbers contain cucurbitacins and other compounds that can be challenging to digest for these individuals. Although the potassium found in cucumbers is beneficial for a balanced diet, those with advanced kidney diseases who need to monitor their potassium intake should seek medical advice. Before regularly adding cucumbers to your diet, it is advisable to consult with a doctor or nutritionist. Individuals who are on blood thinners, such as warfarin, should consume cucumbers in moderation, as they are high in vitamin K, which can affect the effectiveness of these medications. Although it is uncommon, some people may experience an allergic reaction to cucumbers. Symptoms of such a reaction can include itching in the mouth, swelling of the lips, tongue, or throat, difficulty breathing, and skin rashes. Like many vegetables, non-organic cucumbers may be exposed to pesticides and other chemicals. It is recommended to choose organic cucumbers whenever possible, or to wash them thoroughly to minimize exposure to these contaminants. In addition to these precautions, it is important to avoid a common mistake that can greatly reduce the benefits of cucumbers. This mistake involves peeling the cucumber before consumption. Why is this a mistake? The answer is straightforward. The skin contains essential nutrients. The majority of the fibers and nutrients in this vegetable are found in its skin. Therefore, individuals who consume cucumbers without the peel are missing out on many beneficial nutrients for their bodies. Now, as promised, we will share 3 recipes that include cucumber and can further enhance its advantages. Grab a pen and paper, as these 3 juices are powerful for your health. The first is cucumber and ginger juice. To prepare this refreshing drink, you will need 1 cucumber, 2 apples, a piece of ginger about 2 centimeters long, and the juice of 1 lemon. Wash all the ingredients thoroughly and chop the cucumber and apples into pieces that will fit in your blender. Add the ginger and lemon juice, then blend everything until you achieve a smooth mixture. This juice is perfect for those looking to improve digestion and reduce inflammation, as ginger possesses anti-inflammatory properties, while lemon aids digestion and cucumber provides hydration and refreshment. The second recipe is green juice. To prepare cucumber juice, combine 1 cucumber, 2 stalks of celery, a handful of spinach leaves, 1 green apple, and the juice of half a lemon. Wash all the ingredients, chop them as needed, and blend everything together, adding a bit of water to ease the blending process. Once blended, the juice is ready to drink and is ideal for detoxifying the body, as spinach and celery are high in antioxidants and fiber that aid in cleansing the digestive system. Meanwhile, cucumber provides essential hydration. The third recipe is for cucumber, carrot, and apple juice. To make this, use 1 cucumber, 2 carrots, and 2 apples. Wash all the ingredients, chop them into suitable pieces for your blender, and process until well combined. After blending, the juice will be ready to enjoy and is excellent for eye health and boosting the immune system. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is vital for health, while apples and cucumbers contribute essential vitamins. Nutrition and hydration are essential for keeping the skin and immune system in good condition. If you've enjoyed the content we've shared so far, please leave the following statement in the comments. God will remove all illnesses from me through faith and prayer. Thank you very much for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming presentations. May God bless you.